Struggling to stay consistent with your trading? It's not too late to turn things around. The Essential Traders Checklist can give you the clarity and structure you need to succeed. Imagine having a clear roadmap to guide your trades, manage your risk, and build consistency in your trading. At Trendsignal, we've spent over 20 years educating and empowering thousands of traders just like you. We've won multiple awards for our proven strategies and outstanding support, and now we're sharing the Essential Traders Checklist absolutely free. This checklist is designed to help you refine your approach, manage risk effectively, and stay disciplined no matter what the markets throw at you. It's your step-by-step guide to getting back on track and achieving the consistency you've been aiming for. Whether you're new to trading or been in the game for years, this checklist can help you avoid common mistakes and make this your most successful trading year yet. So don't let more time slip by. Get the tools, insights, and support you need to trade smarter, not harder. Click the link to download your free copy of the Essential Traders Checklist and take the first step toward mastering the markets.